nahihirapang magbasa?
Hindi ako tinutok ng kamama tapos papa. Hindi ako nagdadawag sa teacher. Nalilito po ako. Ang naglaro sa bahay. Hindi ko po natatanda ang letra. Nalilito po ako. Tapos, pero may po akong awat. Likit lang po ang pagbasang oras.
HES Fly High means high engagement of stakeholders in fostering individual reading literacy and honing interactive strategies holistically for grade 1 and grade 6 pupils of Himao Elementary School. The primary goals are improve the reading performance level of the grade 1 to grade 3 learners, identified as full repressor to 75%, moderated repressor to 60%, and 100% on high repressor, and 95% of the learners under grade ready level. Next, improve the reading performance of the grade 4 learner identified as non-readers. There are 4 non-readers and there are 43 under prostration level to fall 100% on instructional level and 95% of the other learners under instructional level to independent level.
In terms of status of reading level of Himao Elementary School, sa full refresher po, igwa kitang 72 pupils. Sa moderate refresher naman, 60 pupils. Sa light refresher, 114 pupils. Sa grade ready, 116 pupils. At naisip ko din bilang school reading coordinator na itap ang ating stakeholders, lalong-lalo na yung mga alumni ng Himao Elementary School, na kung saan ay pwede silang mag-donate ng mga school reading materials.
So as a teacher, especially handling grade 6, the HES Fly High program help a lot so that as they leave Himao Elementary School, they are all effective and efficient readers, not only in their level, but our target is to level up at least they reach level 7 or 8. HES Fly High has negative and positive effect, but I think it is more on the positives side. So after conducting and implementing the program. So for the negative in the sense that it needs a lot of time, especially for me, to prepare the needed materials. Since my room was devastated last Typhoon Christine, and all my visual materials or reading materials were lost. So I need to start making visual materials again. And then for the positive naman, it helps a lot, especially the students, especially those who are slow readers. And
smart reading intervention to be used by the learners and the teachers and also by the stakeholders. They are the number 1, Reading Wings. The other is Fly Me Back. Next is Sky's the Limit. The fourth, HES High Five. And the fifth, Fly Me to the Moon. And the next is the Empowered Wings of Excellence. Fly Me to the Moon and Empowered Wings of Excellence can be done by the stakeholders. They are the one who will conduct the reading and be innovated by the learners. Then the Reading Wings, Fly Me Back, Sky's the Limit, and HES High Five are done by all the learners and the teachers.
Para sa mga mag-aaral na nahihirapang magbasa, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, ang pagbabasa ay parang paglalaro lang ng ML. Sa ML, ayaw natin magpapatalo. Kapag tayo natatalo, ulit tayo. Ang pagbasa ay parang ganun din. Kapag hindi natin nakukuha ang isang salita, ulitin lamang natin basahin hanggang sa maintindihan natin at mabasa natin kung ano ba ito. Sabi nga natin, practice makes perfect.
No, no, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Sa wari ko'y lumipas ng kadiliman ng araw. Dahan-dahan pang gumigising at ngayon'y babawi na. Muntik na nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Kaya nang iwanan na